Hey guys, welcome back to another video on your own favorite maths YouTube channel, Coach Veer. And in this video, we're looking after this complicated type of stuff which is going too much long, like 1 minus 1 by 2 square, 1 minus 1 by 3 square, and so on up to 1 minus 1 by 2007 square. And there are 4 options. Yeah, I see there is a D, E options also. It says none of the above. That's kind of scary, but you are seeing this video on your own YouTube channel, Coach V. Let's jump into it. But wait a minute, I forgot. So before I jump into this question, if you haven't already subscribed to this YouTube channel and you watch my content and you like my content, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, as I have the goal of reaching like 3,000 subscribers, and without that, without your support, it's absolutely impossible for me. And now, without wasting so much time in just wanting to get more subscribers, let's get into the real work. Okay, so here we see a strategy here that 1 is the square of 1 and the another thing is given as the square. So what we utilize here is this formula which we have seen earlier also, which says a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times a plus b. Okay, so what does it says, and how can we apply in this, and how I was just saying it, because the things look like this. See, 1 minus 1 by 2 square can be written as 1 square minus 1 by 2 whole square, and you know it is a, it is b. So if you apply this formula, it is just simply 1 minus 1 by 2 and 1 plus 1 by 2, right? What I have done, I have just applied this formula over here. Now if you solve this part, you will get 2 minus 1 is just 1 by 2. And what about this part? This is 1 by 2 in addition with it, so 3 by 2. Okay, this is the first thing we are going to get because of this part. And now let's move to this part, and you can see 1 minus 1 by 3 is going to be 3 minus 1 means 2 by 3, and then it is going to be 1 plus 1 by 3, so it is going to be 3 plus 1 means 4 by 3. Like that it will keep on happening. Let me just take this up to this side so that you guys can see it better. Okay, the last one is this one, which you can say 1 plus 1 by 2007, and another part of this is 1 minus 2007 1 by 2007. And when you solve this, it is 2007 minus 1, which is just 2006 by 2007 times 2008 by 2007. Now you know that these all things are going to be cancelling off, like this 2 with this, 3 with this, and like that everything will get cancelled off till here. So we are up to 1 by 2 times 2008 over 2007. So you can just simply half it down, and it is 1004 by 2007. It's like a telescopic series, and if you haven't seen this before, I request you to go on my previous videos and you can easily find it more lucrative and better examples related to this. Hope I was able to conclude it better, and just below you find a comment section. If you have any doubt, you can fill it in and I will be getting back to you as soon as I can. But there is another thing. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, subscribe down below, and we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye.